Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to look at how to make a stacked bar chart. And basically, I like them when you're showing totals of something and then you see the breakdown. And a perfect, or what I think is a good starter, is a representation of a classroom and the breakdown of boys and girls, and then you see a bar chart adding up the total and then the differential. So alright, this is what we do here. We take a subject and we add upon it. Matplotlib stacked pyplot stack bar chart. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We have all kinds of stuff coming out. So alright, this stuff is pretty simple. So I'll have these in the description below. But count, we know that we have to index, and then here is our ledger and teachers' names, Golden, Smith, and Morgan. So now here's this, and I will have this down in the description as well. In the first classroom, 12 boys, 10 girls, 8, 12, and 12 and 10 respectively. Alright, so then our tick marks. So we do plt dot tick, and we do the count, and then teachers. Okay, now this is where it gets a little weird, but we're gonna get through it. So plot 1, then plt.bar, so then we go count, and then boys, and let's do the width of 0.35. Alright, plot 2, plt.bar, same count, girls, 0.35, same thing, and then plt.show, and then I'm going to show you something. So this is wrong. This is going to be wrong. So alright, and has no attributes. Let's see, what did I leave out? Ticks. There we go. Boom. Yeah, whoa, not even close. So alright, okay, so pyplot understands to graph these, but the issue with stacked is it has to guess, because really what it's doing is it's overlaying. So I'll show you. Let's close this. Let's change this to, let's bring this out. Bring this out. There we go. Alright. Actually, let's go the other way so we can see it. 0.2. So there we go. That's what was happening. That's not ideal. So now there is an attribute, excuse me, an argument, that where's the bottom of the bar need to be set. So we're going to let the bottom be where the boys leave off. So here we go. Boom. 12, 8, 12, and then continue on the rest of the way. 22 students, 20 students, 22 students. Boom. That is how you make a stacked bar chart with something just as simple as this. I love this stuff. I hope you love it as much as I do. I hope you're getting as much out of this as I do. You guys are challenging me, making me better. I can't tell you. When I tell you guys thank you, I sincerely mean it, because this, I get so much out of this. It reinforces my understanding. it helps somebody, it makes me a better explainer. So it's just absolutely awesome. So please leave any comments, questions, video requests, something I've missed, something I've gone too quick over, something you want more of, something you want different of, whatever. So that being said, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.